everybody, good morning. This morning I just get up so early to just do my daughter here. First day of back to school. And I'm not ready, guys. I'm not ready. But I'm trying to adjust back to it. Okay guys, so right now it's Thursday morning, first day of back to school for all New York City public kids, and I feel like I'm still on a holiday break, guys. I'm trying my best to adjust right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give the girls some cereal for their breakfast. As you could see, they're already in the back, ready to go. They just have to get their breakfast and keep rolling. I'm gonna go ahead and also pack their lunch kit, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so they're eating, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put these little tokens in their lunch kit. I have a little chips here for them, not too much, just minimum amount. I don't want to give them anything that they're gonna waste or that they're not gonna finish, so just a minimum amount. So I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and put it in their lunch kit. Okay guys, so actually the school begin at door open at 7:45. If they reach at school by 8 o'clock, they're considered late. But you know, today is the first day of school, guys, and everybody trying to rush to get to the school, especially those new kids that coming in. So I gotta head to the school now. So I'm gonna show you the kids walking to school, guys, because I just live behind the school. Guys, this line is long already, because I'm like, where is everybody? But man, this line is long. So guys, I just dropped them off at school. Guys, look behind me, and the line is getting thicker and thicker. A lot of people coming in, guys, but because my kids have been here already, they just went straight ahead. So they just went straight in, guys. Whew. First day of school, always hectic, guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I dropped the kids at school and I'm back at the house, guys. So I'm just gonna go get something to eat right now and just call it a day. Okay guys, so I'll just make myself some tea right here and some toast, guys. That's about it. See you all in my next video, guys. Bye bye.